Again, Playbook Bird. Good luck, good luck. 5309. Dice roll 23 left in that one, David. 23 left in the super packs. Dice roll 11 times on the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We said 11 times. 8, 9, 10, and 11. Again, the Rams up top, the Seahawks at the bottom. $11 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. David up top, Jeremy Vardaman at the bottom. Let's sort them out. The Playbook Early Bird. Again, there's your squads. Playbook Bird. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Again, good luck, good luck. Playbook Early Bird. Let's do it. Just forgot those Eagles again. First up for the Dallas Cowboys, Jalen Tolbert to 199. Dallas goes to Tom Haggerty. Jalen Tolbert to 199 on the jersey. For the Denver Broncos, how about Russell Wilson on the autograph? 3 out of 5 for Marfield Jones. Little Russell Wilson to 5. Well, Ricky, you did get a hit. Jeff George, 14 out of 75 for those Atlanta Falcons. Jeff George on the autograph. And for the New York Jets and Joseph McCraw, 54 out of 99. Garrett Wilson on the rookie jumbo dual jersey. Going to the Jets. And Joseph McCraw. Get that in a case for you here, Joseph. And we'll recap it here. We got Jeff George to 75. We got Russell Wilson on the autograph to 5 for Denver and Marfield Jones. Got Jalen Tolbert to 199. And Garrett Wilson on the rookie jumbo. And that's to 99 on the dual jersey. Again, Playbook Bird in the books. That is the break, everybody. Definitely a better box than last night. Thanks for the fill.